Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make super whitening Africa's black soap. So let's begin. This is my original Ghana black soap. I start by crushing it into pieces into my slow cooker. The ingredients needed for this soap to be activated are aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has a cooling property that helps moisturize the skin, fight skin aging, lighten blemishes, very good on the skin. I will be needing 2 tablespoons of it. My next ingredient is vitamin E gel. Vitamin E helps to reduce skin acne, smooths the skin, helps to reduce dark patches on the skin. I will be needing 1 tablespoon of it. Next is honey. Honey is best for the skin as it helps fight bacteria, fight skin aging, and help with eczema. I will add 1 tablespoon of it. Next is Egyptian milk. I will be adding 1 tablespoon of it. Next is carrot and lemon oil I made myself. I am adding 1 tablespoon of it. Next is rosehip oil. Again, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of it. Next is vitamin C serum. This helps in so many ways on the skin. It brightens up the skin, fade hyperpigmentation, and promotes collagen production. I will be putting in 1 drop. Next is anti-pimples balls. Helps prevent rashes on the skin. Next is papaya powder. I am adding 1 tablespoon of it. Next is orange peel powder. I am adding 1 tablespoon of it. Next is goat's milk powder. I am adding 1 tablespoon of it. Next is citric acid, 1 tablespoon of it. Next is turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of it. Next is licorice powder, 1 tablespoon of it. Next is soap bleaching powder, 1 tablespoon of it. Next is giga white powder, 1 tablespoon of it. Next is rice powder, 1 tablespoon of it. Next is kojic acid powder, 1 tablespoon of it. Lastly is ascorbic acid powder, 1 tablespoon of it. And then mix it thoroughly. Make sure it's well mixed. And then cover it and leave it for a while to incorporate. Here is my black soap after covering it for few minutes. Now I will get my mixer to mix them together properly. And all mixed now, I will be adding my drops of scented oil to give my soap a beautiful smell. So here is my black soap. Using this soap will help streaks, acne, reduce appearance of dark spots, lightens up your skin in a beautiful way. The best lightening black soap ever. Yes, so thank you all for watching my video. Please, a comment down below and suggestion, leave it on the comment section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to alert you when I upload a video. See you guys soon on my next video. Bye.